Hello guys, just doing this next video for YouTube. I'm just going to try and make this video for another 5 more minutes while I'm waiting for the next Middlewood tram to turn up. Just looking on the tram board sign, it says 6 minutes for Middlewood tram. I don't want to show the tram board sign because there's a camera behind the tram board sign, and I don't want the camera to catch me while I'm doing this video while I'm stood at the tram terminus at Cricketing Road. So yeah, I'm at the tram terminus on Cricketing Road, and then when I get on the tram I've got to go from Cricketing Road all the way back to Middlewood Park and Ride. That's the sort of tram signboard on the Cricketing Road, and yeah, just waiting for the next sub tram, which is due in about 5 minutes. So yeah, I've had a busy day. I've had a busy day at Manor Oaks Farm. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the tram. That's the Meadowall tram on the opposite side of the road. So yeah, I've just had a busy day at Manor Oaks Farm today. So just waiting for Middlewood tram, just here in about 3 minutes. I think that's the Wyburn pub, which is behind me. So yeah, shop along now for the next super tram while I'm stood at Cricketing Road. Just show you the sign. Right, I'm at Cricketing Road. And then that blue sign over there, that blue sign, it just says tramways locked both ways. It just says it over there on that sign. It just says tramways locked both ways. So yeah, just waiting for Middlewood tram. So I'm just gonna make this another. I'm just gonna carry on recording for another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna end the video. And then once I've done this video, I'm going to upload it onto YouTube. So yeah. I'm going to catch a tram from Cricketing Road, and then I'm going to stay on the tram to go back to Middlewood Park and Ride, and then when I get back to Middlewood Park and Ride, I'm going to head off home because I've had a busy day at Manor Farm today. So yeah, I'm just stood around in Sheffield. I'm just stood at Cricketing Road tram terminus, just waiting for a tram. So yes guys, just looking around because it's looking a bit cloudy today, so I wasn't sure if it's going to be raining today, but I'm hoping the weather forecast is going to be better again tomorrow. So yeah, just like I said, I'm just on Cricketing Road, just waiting for the next tram to turn up, and then I'll be heading off back to Middlewood Park and Ride. So I'm going to end this video for now, and I'll try and do some more YouTube videos during the next few days, and I shall catch you all later. Bye.